Imagine a world of monkeys. Bananas are the treasure. There are few bananas. This makes them valuable. Bitcoin is like a digital banana, a rare banana. Only 21 million available, no more can be made. Monkeys or miners search for the bananas, they solve complex puzzles. Each puzzle solved, a banana is earned. This is the mining process. Transactions are simple. Monkey ascends a banana to monkey B. Everything is recorded on the blockchain, a public ledger of transactions. Blockchain is transparent. Everyone can see, but no one can modify. Bitcoin doesn't rely on banks. It's direct, monkey to monkey. Digital bananas are secure, stored in digital vaults. Accessed with a private key, protection guaranteed. Monkeys solve puzzles, consumes energy and time. Reward, digital bananas, a competitive process. If more monkeys want bananas, the value rises. Fewer monkeys, the value falls, simple supply and demand. Limited bananas, more valuable. Bitcoin is the digital banana of the future. Welcome to the world of digital bananas. Subscribe to the channel, share the video, and leave your likes.